boxes because they're wide. Like I'm used to the wider ones. You know, I can hop in any vehicle that we have and drive it just fine, no problem. Even the fucking tractors and the trailers, I can drive those with no problem. But I don't like hinos just because they feel like I'm driving something small and it's something big, you know. I just don't like it. It just doesn't feel complicated. They make tow trucks. Got can't see.
We've had a real terrific year. We cleared 15 pounds of broken... And finally, we promised to reach out to negative teens and lead by example. Amen. Now don't say amen in school, son. Sorry, Dad. Kids, we've had a real terrific year. We cleared 15 pounds of broken bottles from the student parking lot. We sang carols for senior citizens.
That old man hit me in the throat with his cane.
He was old and confused, Ryan. And we gathered 12 cans of food for the poor. I'd say that deserves a big PAT cheer. How about it?
Yay!
But there's one group who needs positivity more than anyone, your fellow teens. So today, I want us to go over to detention and help some kids in need of help.
Yay!
Greetings, Coach. The positive acting teens and I were wondering if you'd let us take these boys off your hands for a little positive rehabilitation.